Hello and welcome to my lesson. During this lesson you will learn how to create chain waterfall earrings. If it is interesting for you, continue watching. To create these earrings you will need crystals, bicon crystals of 4 mm, clasp, some pendant, chain, eye pins, round nose pliers and cutters. Let's start. First of all, we need to prepare chain pieces for our earrings. I have used different size of chain to make the shape of V, and we start. I will just measure how long it should be our first piece, and we'll start to create necessary pieces for our earrings. We will need 2 of each length and 1 the longest piece. For your convenience, start to put them on your mat as it should be on your earrings. Second pieces should be 2 chain bigger than our first ones. And then 2 pieces. This is for 1 earring. For 2 earrings you will need 4 of each. Next level should be 2 chains bigger than previous one. Last piece in our earrings will be 1 chain, which will be longer than previous ones. Our chain base is ready. Now we need to create earring. First of all, we take our clasp and our pendant. If you don't have your pendant, you can do it without it as well. We just attach it to our clasp this way. Then we need to create our jump ring. If you don't have it, if you have already jump ring, you just can attach it here. But I will show you how to create it. You just take the same, any pin what you have, take your round nose pliers and start to bend it this way. Then cut extra pin and you have your jump ring ready. Take our jump ring and attach to our pendant and close the jump ring this way. Take our head pin, open it and attach to our jump ring, close it and take another head pin as well, open it and attach to our jump ring and close it as well. Now we need to bend and create the loops on both eye pins. I just bend it and start to bend it round and round to make a circle. Same we do with the second. Measure them together. I need to bend it a bit more. Now those are equal and our base is ready. Next, we take another eye pin, open it and attach it from the one side and close it. We take one chain, one crystal, and again one chain, one crystal, chain, crystal, and you continue till you finish your earring. When it's ready, you take round nose pliers and bend, then cut a bit extra out of it and create the loop. Don't close it till the end, because now we will need to attach it to our second loop. And close it. Our earrings are ready. If you like this tutorial, don't forget about likes and subscribe to my channel.